Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change app category on Play Console. Friends, to change app category on Play Console, first you have to open your Play Console on your computer, my friends. Now you'll get this interface, right? Now if you want to change the app category like this one, this app, you have to click on here. Then my friends, you will find the dashboard, right? Then simply you have to click on Gray Users. Then you have to click on Store Preference. You have to click on drop down sign. Then you have to click on Store Settings. After that you have to find app category, right? You have to click on Edit. Then my friends, simply you can change app or game. After that you have to select the category from here, my friends, like this. Then simply you have to click on Save. So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can change app category on Play Console. Friends, to change app category on Play Console, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope to next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.